What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I'm back with another stock talk video. And for today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about the stock Moderna, ticker symbol MRNA. And for today's stock talk video is going to be an uncut video. I'm going to go into the stock Moderna and talking about what the heck is going on with this thing. It's been on a rally for basically the past couple weeks. It's been surging like crazy. We got to talk about Moderna and whether or not it's a buy right now, how to trade this thing, how to invest into this thing, and what's going to happen in the future with Moderna. But guys, if you're new here, don't forget to click the links down below in the description to follow me, my TikTok account, and join my Discord server. Both of those links will be in the description below. Okay, so what is happening with Moderna? Well, Moderna, as you can see here, we're looking at the past several months of Moderna. Basically, from about April and into May, the stock has been on a crazy move. Back in the 150 to 160 range, surging up above our 180-day SMA line here, as you can see, and we hit through 200, up to 300, and now we're stretching out to almost $500, okay? Up another 17% in the day, up over $70, touching all-time highs at $493. This has been an insane move. Let's talk about the reason as to why the stock specifically today is moving higher, because I'm pretty sure you're curious about that and what you should do with it. Should you start investing in it? Should you start trading this stock? What is happening? Well, let's bring this over here and check it out real quick and see what's actually going on with Moderna. And as you can see here, what's going on with Moderna stock today? Well, Moderna is trading higher Monday as growing COVID-19 concerns lift vaccine makers. The company's COVID-19 vaccine was also granted provisional registration by the Australian Therapeutic Goods Administration. Moderna announced that the TGA granted provisional registration to its COVID-19 vaccine in Australia for active immunization to prevent COVID-19 caused by the COVID virus in individuals 18 and older. And in quotes, as we seek to protect people around the world with our COVID-19 vaccine, we look forward to continue discussions with the Australian government about potentially establishing local mRNA manufacturing capabilities. By the CEO of Moderna has stated that. Vaccine makers also trading higher amid comments from Dr. Anthony Fauci, in which he said he's hopeful that COVID-19 vaccines will receive full FDA approval sometime this month. So a lot of the vaccine makers overall were trading higher today, and Moderna, being the top dog, being the king of a lot of these vaccine maker names, was trading the highest, up 17%. But like I said, over the past basically couple months, the stock has just been on a rally. And really the past few weeks, it has been insane. Let's actually pull it back and see how it's been doing the past 20 days. Past 20 days, it's really been giving us good trading opportunities to trade off of. This has been a strong mover, holding above all of our SMA lines, as you can see here. And again, the past couple days have been very, very volatile with a lot of momentum. So what do we do with this stock? Well, looking forward, we're trading very, very high right now. After this huge breakout that we had today, this is a little overextended. If you're into options and trading options, I would honestly look to do a put option on Moderna, because eventually Moderna will pull back. Anytime there's a huge overreaction due to the news in a stock, the stock will tend to pull back. And because of that, I see Moderna being a pullback stock in the near future. It's been trading so damn high, it's been trading so damn strong that it needs some type of pullback, okay? Look at this little pump that we had here. Boom, red candle to the downside. No, it didn't pull back anything crazy, but it still pulled back, and it gave a decent pullback opportunity. Same thing with a run right here. We had a little bit of a pullback. Another run right here, a huge pullback. Another run, pullback. Another run, little pullbacks here and there. Now we've had basically 5 straight days of just green, strong momentum, just getting pumped into this stock, a lot of volume, and I see that tomorrow or the following day will be a big pullback day for Moderna to take the opportunity to do a put trade on this name or to try and short it. But I also agree that Moderna itself is a strong stock and it has a lot more upside just in the type of environment we're in right now. So what should you do with Moderna? Well, I would say if you're trying to go for long-term investment into Moderna, let's wait for a pullback. I'd like to see it pull back to at least this 425 area, if not even lower. I think today's rally was very, very overdone and a huge overreaction to the upside, which will have a correction back down to the downside. When will that happen? I don't know specifically when, but I see in the next couple days you'll see a pullback. That's for long-term investing. Wait for a pullback, probably down to 400 to 425 area to start adding some of your position. If you're doing a short-term trade, I would definitely watch for any specific news. This news came out as early this morning as around, when did it come out? It came out around 8 o'clock this morning. We saw some signs of news. We also saw more signs of news this morning around 7 o'clock. So both during pre-market hours. And then we got the big news that came out at 10 o'clock this morning. And as you could see, the stock rallied because of that. So we want to trade off of news, and in the short term, we're looking for this news to trade off of, and I think that Moderna, with this type of news, is great to trade off of, and I think that we got to look for that news in the pre-market before the stock starts trading to see what type of news or momentum we can play off of the stock in the short term. But guys, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Hopefully it helped you understand why Moderna is trading higher today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.